Breaking news. A TV show from the Philippines called It's Showtime with its segment named Specially for You, has an issue with its host Vice Ganda and their contestants Axel and Christine. The show It's Showtime is one of the most favorite noontime show in the Philippines. Recently, there was a controversial incident involving Axel Cruz and Christine on the show It's Showtime.
Kasi ito yun, yung siyempre hindi ako napili. Lalapit na ako kay Christine, siyempre si Christine, nakahamba na yung kamay niya na appear. Ginawa ko, nakipag-appear ako sa kanya, tapos hinawakan ko yung kamay niya. Ang bala ko talaga sana ay bro code.
Kasi po ang nangyari, diba, inapiran ko siya. Tapos, parang gusto niya akong i-hug. Tapos, since nakaupo ako, ang awkward ng position.
The incident led to discussions about consent and proper behavior on live television, and Vice Ganda, one of the hosts, expressed intentions to apologize to Axel for the misunderstanding and the harsh reaction during the show.